Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with the Planners Anonymous Shop Till You Drop unboxing of the subscription kit. Full disclosure, I am a stylist here in the UK for Planners Anonymous, and you can save 10% off your first subscription with Carly Ann. At checkout, I will leave a link below so you can check the store out and all the other amazing goodies. But today I'm here to show you the brand new kit, Shop Till You Drop. So let's delve in. I'm going to disappear for 2 seconds and reappear with everything unboxed. Just like that. Right, so we're going to delve in. First of all, I'm going to show you the standard papers, which are these ones here. Just pop those ones off to the side for a second. So we have these gorgeous shop scenes, and from my conversations with Sammy, I know she's been wanting to do this for a long time, and it's come out absolutely amazing. I absolutely love this. So we've got The Bean, Oopsie Daisy, Chapter 3, Sweetheart, Vintage Chick, Boutique, Beauty Spot. What else have we got? Sweetheart. I wonder if these are like hints at things to come. That would be kind of cool. And also, I'm here for the Boutique. I'm definitely here for where's the coffee bean? The Bean. Vintage Chick. Sammy, you might have just said, wow, blown my mind. Is this a hint? Is it? Because I'm here. Okay, so on the back we have this gorgeous watercolour with splatter. It's like a tealy colour. It's not showing up as bright on camera, but it's gorgeous. Then we have this gorgeous page, which I want to say are peonies, but I don't think they are. I don't know. I'm really rubbish when it comes to florals, unless it's a rose or a daisy. Yeah. But either way, they're beautiful. And then we have the gorgeous pink watercolour on the back. Then we have this one where it's all like little shopping bags, hat boxes, bows, tissue paper. Love it. Love, 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 love. And then on the back we've got the greys. That's gorgeous. Then we have the vellum. Oh, the vellum, the vellum. I love this. Hang on. The vellum is the shop fronts. I love this. Oh, this is so going to be cut down and tipped into my avec for this year. And then we don't have foil. We have the black again. And I actually really like this. It's different. It's really nice, this acetate. A sheet there. Then for the additional paper pack, we have these. Now, I absolutely love this pig. I need this pig in everything. I need this pig in the creative kit, and if it's not in the creative kit, Sammy, I'm going to cry because he is so friggin' adorable. Look at him. Yeah, I need to make a 3D pig because I really want to like collect my little coins in him. He's so cute. I love these little reward cards. They're great. The little credit card savings. They're brilliant receipts. And this is like a little Hobonichi. I would love this. I would absolutely love this. I need one of these in real life. This is so cool. And I love the bag too. I just love the colours. The black, the teal and the pink. Just, yeah, I'm here for the colours. It's different and I love it. And then we've got the watercolour on the back. Then we've got the gorgeous florals again. And, oh, I've died. Look at this pig. Look. Look at it. Sorry, I'm like really excited. I really like this pig. I'm just, if I get quiet, I'm just admiring things. I love this, the savings. He's so cool. I need this as a digital print, definitely, because I need like 10,000 of him. He's so cool. Then we have another, I'm not going to show you these because you've just seen them, but we have another copy of the shop vellum and the acetate. Then we're going to delve into the die cuts. And if you saw my last video, you will know that I chopped this off because I then store them all in here, as I do every time. Is that a pig? Oh, I might actually get really, really excited in a minute. Right. Shopping is my therapy. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. I love this. I don't know what her name is though. Does she have a name? Because normally it tells you on the thing. I don't know what her name is. But for argument's sake, I'm going to call her Clara. I don't know why, but yeah. So we have... Oh, I'm so excited because I can see the pig. So we've got a telephone. We've got some coins. A little bush. I need to find out the name of this. A shopping magazine. Got another little bush. Little hedgerows. I like these. I've got an idea for those. Shopping bag. Some more florals. Then we've got, oh, look, Paris. Eiffel Tower. I'm hopefully looking to go to Paris again because there's a couple of areas. I haven't seen the Moulin Rouge or anything, so I'd like to go back. We've got like signs, a gorgeous lamppost, hat box. We've got another nail varnish. That's massive nail varnish. Yeah. We've got box. Getting close as the pig. We've got another one of those. We've got mannequin. A massive nail polish. Some boxes. A savings card. Look at the pig. Look at the pig. Oh my god. I'm going to be searching the de-stash groups now because I need more of this pig. This pig is my favourite. Oh, I love him. He's so cool. Okay, so they're the adhesive die cuts, which I can't wait to play with, especially the pig. That's all I'm going to talk about now. Oh my gosh, he's on the stamp set. Holy pig. I love him. Okay, if you hadn't noticed already, the pig is my favourite thing. So we've got splurge, wish list, no spend, payment due, save. So it's very budgety feel, which is great because obviously shop till you drop, you're going to spend everything you got. Then you've got a little shopping mini, some shopping bags, a shopping list, a little bookmark. What are they called? Not bookmark. Yeah. Book plate. A little door handle, some corners, the pig, a frame, some little deco, banner, divider bits, nail polish, a mascara and a coin. And then you've got a door. Now I've got an idea for this. Oh, there's a coin in the door as well. That's cool. That's really utilising space. I love that. But the pig. Yeah, I love the pig. Right, then I'm going to talk to you about washi tape in a moment. But look at the pen. Gorgeous blues. Rose gold. That's stunning. That's really pretty. I like that. Washi tape. Where did I put my knife? That's my knife. Right, so we have the 5mm washi that I can never... This stuff is the bane of my life. I hate washi packaging. Just really annoying me. Oh, I like this. This is like banners. There's a name for this, like flags. Pennants, that's it. I really like that. That's really cool. And that can be used that way, that way, that way, or that way. I really like that. Then for the 15mm, we have what looks like rose gold foil. Yay. The gorgeous florals. They are stunning. It's like a tealy pink colour. That's gorgeous. And oh yes, I'm so glad to see this on the washi tape. We have for the, I can never remember the size of this. And it doesn't say. It says on the other two. I think it's 2mm or 2.5, one of the two. But I love it. The wide washi. It's the sharps. Look, these are so cool. Cannot wait to use this. So you could use this in like weekly planning, and you can cut down the shops if you're going for like to the library or you're going shopping, you're going to the coffee shop. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Love it. So that's that. Then you get 2 sheets of stickers in the standard pack. And we have some gorgeous florals. We've got Clara, because I don't know her name. Loads of little shopping bags and they're big. And and these are gorgeous. These remind me of, is it Riviera? I can't remember. Then we have, an odd bit of dust. Let's get rid of that. Then we've got these gorgeous tealy. I love the colours. That teal and the black go so good. And the minis dancing. These are the same every month. They're just different depending on what the kit is. You've got the melody. I love the colours of that. Into the Wild. I cannot wait for this kit. I am so excited about this kit because they have changed their artist for this kit and it is phenomenal. If you have seen the peak that's on YouTube, on their YouTube, you can go and have a look at Planners Anonymous and it is amazing. I cannot wait to get my hands on that kit, which should be here soon. So that's those. Then we have the Shop Till You Drop sticker book. And inside, this is gorgeous rose gold foiling. Love, 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 love. I really like these. Oh, I love the fact that one's foiled and one isn't. That's cool. That's nice. Oh, I like these. Oh, I got some more of these from like last month. These are cool. These are like half boxes, but not. And then you've got the separate shops. I love those. And I like the fact that they are separated too. And obviously, because when creating sticker books, Sammy is restrained on, because they are die cut stickers. So the machine has to die cut exactly where. So I love the fact that she fills in this extra bit here, because you can just fussy cut it once you're finished with the page. Or if you're like me, you just tear it out and just cut it out anyway, even if you're not done with the page. But yeah, love it. Oh my gosh, they're on clear. So if you actually go back to my previous video, Rejuvenate, when I did the sticker book unboxing, I actually said the functional page would be awesome on clear transparent, and it is on clear transparent. Wow, yay. I like these sale banners. And then we've got some markers. These remind me of Hobonichi's, but they're Persil's. Then you've got nail polish. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to wear nail polish, but hey ho, I can dream. Then we've got some parcels. I love all these stacks of parcels here. And we've got some more like shopping bags and the pig. The pig is just the pig. The pig is amazing. And look at these minis. They are just so cute. And I love the fact that they're different hair colours this month too. So that's really nice. Then we've got a weekly, so I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, and that's in the foil too. That's gorgeous. Love this. Oh wow, I like this. The black and white monochrome, that's nice. These colours just go so well together. I love this. This is like a long receipt. I hope this is in the digital creative kit because that's cool. That is cool. That's just, yeah. That would be a really nice paper too. The pig! He's on seat tape. I'm here for the pig. Yeah. I bet you're like, oh, I'm unsubscribing. This woman's weird. Yeah. I'm not. I just really like him. I think he's cute. So, look. Just really, I can't wait. This is pretty. Oh, look. This is like die cutted. That's really nice. Oh, I am so looking. Oh, there's the big long receipt. I'm looking forward to designing with this kit. This is so pretty. And then we've got some rose gold. We don't have anything down. I think she's missed that. Never mind. But we've got rose gold. That's nice. And then we've got the girl on the back, who I'm nicknaming Clara because I don't know her name. And she looks like I thought she had a necklace on them, because like there it looks like a necklace, but in real life it's not. Ignore me. But yeah, so that is not all. We have the mystery item, which is another one of these clips. I've got so many, I don't know what to do with them all, but I love the fact that this one is rose gold. It's just so pretty. So I love the fact that it's a different colour this month. And you got like a little shoe with a love heart, and then the dangles that match the colours. Just so pretty. And there's the little card that you can obviously chop up and do whatever you want with. So yeah, that is Shop Till You Drop, and it is a stunning kit. Just look at these papers, they are gorgeous. So yeah, thanks for joining me today. I will be back with some projects, and you can follow me on Instagram at StoodlesDoodles to see what I get up to with these kits too. So until next time, take care. I'll see you later. Bye.